Hello everybody, Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and I am so excited to talk about Grandma Hobbies today. So Grandma Hobbies is a trending term, and I am so excited about it because it encompasses a lot of the crafts that I do here on a daily basis. So I'd love to tell you a little bit more about it. First off, what is a Grandma Hobby? So Grandma Hobbies are crafts and hobbies that kind of harken back to nostalgia. More simplistic techniques that are repetitive in nature, thinking crochet, knitting, sewing, quilting, needle felting, and just some really beautiful, beautiful crafts and hobbies. And then you've also got bird watching and gardening and baking. And so things that you're doing with your hands. So there's been a lot of research coming out now how great Grandma Hobbies are for your mental health. So for instance, Dr. Patricia Dixon, she's basically stating that when you create with your hands, it helps to unwind and relieve the daily stressors. And I believe in that wholeheartedly. That's really my mission here at Country Peony, because I believe that when you're creating, you find joy in the process. So I love a good project, I love a good final result, but truly the joy is in creating. So I am so excited to continue to create with you. I've got a lot of tutorials on my blog that are considered Grandma Hobbies, and I will link them below if you want to check them out. And if there are ones on there that you want to try, and I haven't tried them on my blog, we can try them together. I just wanted to do a quick video to hopefully inspire you to try some new Grandma Hobbies, because they really do bring you so much joy. And honestly, I think this is a great coin term for the phrase, because I learned a lot of my crafts from my own late grandmother. So thank you for following along. I hope you feel inspired to try some of your own Grandma Hobbies, and I will talk to you soon. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, elizabeth@countrypeony.com, or visit my website, countrypeony.com. I would love to have you there. Thank you guys.